should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Oh, shiver me chatters. Oh, poor little me.
Oh my, Sammy, what's happened? Have you lost your collection of yellow rubber ducks again?
Sue, is that you? Oh.
What? Did you lose at that Who Eats More Candy challenge?
Who? Me? Never.
I'm worried now. Please tell me what's wrong.
Oh, well, there is a problem. At school, you know. Duh! 2 lessons over. 2 more to suffer through. Math is messing with my head. So annoying. I hate those numbers. Yeah, so, you see, Sue, school is really boring.
Oh no, Sam. We need to save you. It's gloomy gray sickness.
Oh no, it sounds too serious. I bet it isn't curable.
Of course it's curable. It's easier than you think. Let's go.
What, really? Okay.
We'll use my favorite way of treating gloomy gray sickness.
Has anyone called Dr. Sam?
We won't need medicine to cure this disease. We'll use craft to make new school supplies.
I knew it!
What color shall we start with?
How about a purple backpack? Oh, pretty please, Susie.
Sorry, Sammy, we don't have purple. How about pink?
Not as great as purple, but it'll do.
Great. So this will be the bottom of our backpack. Let's glue it together. Don't hurry while doing this. We should let the glue dry before continuing.
Shoo! There's some extra foam paper here. It's wrong.
No worries, Sammy. I'll get rid of it in no time. And the final touch. Here you go.
But Sue, it doesn't close. I'll lose my stuff.
Don't worry, Sammy. We'll make a lid.
I think my newest creation will do just fine as a lid. Hold on a sec. Here, is it perfect or what?
Yep, it'll make the perfect lid. Thanks, Sam.
I'm the greatest designer. Actually, not just that. I'm generally super talented. I'm the king of everything. Ugh, my crown.
Let's make your books feel even safer inside your backpack. There we go.
I might be a slime, but I still want my backpack to have shoulder straps.
Worry not, my friend. We're definitely making 2 straps and a handle for you, right here.
Sounds great.
The backpack is almost ready. What do we do now?
Decorations, of course. They must match my personality. I can't take a boring backpack to school, even if it's glittery. You will definitely need this for the craft, Sue.
Right, Sammy. Let's make your backpack stand out in the crowd of other backpacks. Now let's cut it out really carefully. Actually, you'd better be always careful with sharp objects, friends. Here is our beautiful rainbow. Voila!
Wait, Sue, I've got something else. Put it next to the rainbow so that it doesn't feel lonely, you know. I love it.
And I know how to make this cloud even cuter. Here we go.
I'm ready. I look so cool.
Ready for what?
Ready to go to school, of course.
Wait, Sammy. You need other supplies too, like a notebook and something to write with.
Okay, then. Is it just me, or is it too hot in here?
You've got something I really need.
Do I?
Yup! Those will be the pages of our notebook. It's not gonna be so hard to make. Oh, and to stay on the safe side, I'll also use some glue over here. Now it's time to attach it to the cover. Don't rush at this stage.
Okay, I'm ready to test drive my new notebook. Oh, this pencil is too heavy. Uh-oh. Sue, this pencil is mocking me.
I promise we'll make smaller size pencils for you, but a tiny bit later.
Whatever you say.
Huh. You've got a new hairstyle, Sammy?
Nah, I I just want my notebook to match my backpack. In color, you know.
What a great idea!
My hair!
I know you love this color, so let's start with it.
Huh? It looks like grass. Like grass in the wind. Woohoo! Ha ha! La la la!
I've almost forgotten. Here, much better.
Brr, do you feel this cold wind, Sue? Something bad is coming!
This cold wind has brought us a small cloud. Let's use it in our craft.
Huh, it's just like the cloud on my backpack.
And now some magic. Check it out, Sam. Aren't these cute? These pencils are just perfect for you, Sammy.
Wow, I love them! I want to practice making them on my own, though.
Sure, we can do that. Let me show you.
Yay!
Here, you'll need a toothpick.
Hiya, hiya, take that! Take that! You will never defeat the greatest slime of all! Ouch! It was such a foul move!
Sammy, you need to be careful with sharp objects. I always say that it's not safe.
Sure, Sue. Got it. Sharp thingies are dangerous. Never gonna touch them again.
Exactly, but that's what we need to make our tiny pencil.
Got it!
And just like that, our pencil is ready. We just need to cut the extra part really carefully. Sam, look how many pencils you got here. I love them. So cute.
But they often ask us to write with pens at school.
It's not a problem.
What? Really? Whee! If you prefer to write with pens, give this video a thumbs up. And if you like pencils more, subscribe to our channel.
Without these beads, our pen wouldn't be the coolest one, right?
That's right.
Well, it was predictable. Sam, are you okay, dear?
Totally fine, Sue. Just a bit dizzy.
This time, Sammy, I'll use your favorite color because I do have pink nail polish. Now let's put it together. Oh, wow, this pen is a masterpiece. Let's give it a try. This is for you, Sammy.
A heart? For me? Really? Thanks. That's cool and everything, but where am I going to keep all these?
We will make a rainbow pencil case for you.
How about we use my pretty ears?
They're just what we need. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And that's how we'll make sure your stuff stays inside. That's all the length we need.
I suggest adding at least a bit of a sparkle to this party. Make it shiny, Sue.
Okay, let's check if all your stationery fits in here. I guess I did an awesome job.
It's perfect, Sue. I'm ready to go to school and have fun. Wait.
Let me pack it for you. There we go. Uh-huh.
Thanks so much, Susie. I'm so happy. What a day! What a wonderful day it was!
Sammy, you're in a great mood. What's the matter?
I've got an A in everything. All thanks to our craft.
Wow, Sammy. I'm so happy to hear that.
Thank you, my dear Sue. I will never forget it. You're the best!
Friends, if you liked our crafts today as well, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.
See you soon, fellas.
It's a long way, all right. A long way.
It certainly is.
What's your name, kid?
Rebecca.
Rebecca, my friend. You're gonna run this marathon because you can do it. You can do it for the crowds of cheering people.
Oh.
You can do it for Rex Barker, the famous race commentator.
Oh, yes.
You can do it for the hundreds and thousands of millions of people watching on television.
Watching me? Oh, yes.
Yes.
Let me hear you say yeah.
Yeah! All right.
Bring it on.
Ooh, bring it on. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's enough yet. Let's go train.
Yeah. I mean, yes, of course.
Let's play.
Okay, Rebecca, when you go running, the first thing you gotta do is warm up, starting with the neck.
Side to side.
Now shake out those arms. Now the legs. Now stretch out your legs like this. And the other one.
Oh, I fell over.
Rebecca, focus.
Sorry. Yeah.
Okay, another thing you gotta do, Rebecca, when you're running a marathon is believe in yourself.
Believe in myself.
Yeah, say, I can do it.
You can do it.
No, I can do it.
You can do it.
No. You gotta say to yourself, I can do it.
All right, sorry. I can do it.
Again.
I can do it.
Louder.
I can do it.
Oh, yes, you can.
Yeah. I love all this whooping and hollering.
Now I gotta go and start the marathon.
Okay, yeah, which way do I go? Oh, I need to say a few more. Yes!
No, you're wearing the wrong shoes. You better go and change them.
Wearing the wrong shoes? Oh, no. I need to find the right shoes, and fast.
Let's play.
Ah, running shoes. Oh, wow, there are so many to choose from. But which ones are for me? It could be any of these. Oh, hold on. I remembered you. That's it. Sprinters wear spiked sole shoes, and long-distance runners wear racing flats. Now, Trey said we're running 26 miles. That's a long distance, so we're gonna need racing flats. Excuse me, anyone here? Hello?
Stop.
Oh, yes, can I get a pair of racing flats, please?
Okay.
Right.
One pair of racing flats.
Yep. These look like the ones. Great, I'll take these, please. Oh, thanks.
You running a marathon?
All 26 miles.
26.2. Respect, lady.
Oh, yes, thanks very much. Great, see ya, bye.
Sweet.
Let's play.
Right, I just need to get to the start line before... Oh, no, the klaxon. The race has started, and I'm not there. We'd better hurry. Come on. Oh, no, where is everyone? Oh, I'm late.
It looks like we've got a bit of a latecomer. Someone there looks like she wants to join in the marathon, but I can't see a number.
Rebecca, you missed the start of the marathon. Everyone else is gone.
I know. Right, okay, start me off, please.
Okay, ready, and wait a minute.
What? Oh, right, of course. Yeah.
No! Where's your official marathon bib?
My what? A bib? What's that?
You know, like a vest with a number on it.
Oh, no, I didn't know I needed one of those.
You can't run a marathon without it. You need a number so everyone knows who you are.
Oh, no, well, I really wanted to run the marathon as well. I don't have a... Hang on. I do have a bib. That's what this is for.
Ah, number one, Rebecca, a newcomer to the world of running and a late starter to the Mega Wow Marathon. Ah, looks like she's ready now, though.
All right, now, remember, take it 1 mile at a time. And let me have another one of those yeahs.
Yeah.
That's it, now give me an oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's the girl, now give me another oh yeah.
I think I should start the race.
Oh, of course, yeah. Ready, and go!
Woohoo! Here I go.
Here comes our number one, Rebecca, and she's loving every minute of it. Well, she didn't get off to a good start, but it's too soon to rule her out of the competition. Oh, Teddy, fantastic. We like it when people dress up in funny clothes to run the Mega Wow Marathon. Oh, look, an hedgehog. Go on, Spiky, keep going. Rebecca's making excellent progress. She's caught up with some of the back markers, and she's getting ahead. Go, Rebecca. And she's looking good as she passes the palace. This is a royally fine performance from Rebecca. Past the table with the water. No, she's not stopping. Oh, no. It looks like it's not going quite so well. It looks like Rebecca might be in trouble. She's slowing down.
Oh, I really don't feel very good. This marathon running is really hard work. I need a drink, but I really don't want to stop. Should I stop, or should I carry on? Oh, hold on. I remembered you. That's it. Runners drink water when running a long-distance race. We need some water, and fast. Oh, look, there's a water stop. I needed that. I feel much better. I'm going to make sure I have a little sip of water at every stop from now on. But for now, let's keep going.
And Rebecca is back on track now to finish the marathon in a really good time. She may even beat the record for the fastest first-time runner. Goal number one. She's really making up some time here. She's passing the hedgehog again. Go, Spiky! And look at that, good girl. She's taking on a bit more water. Little and often, that's the way. Just a few more miles to go and she's going to finish really well. Oh, what's happened? Oh, that looks painful. Is it her leg? Oh no, poor Rebecca. Will this be her first and last Mega Wow Marathon.
Oh, my leg. Oh, it hurts. Oh, I don't think I'm going to be able to run any further. And I'm not far from the end. Oh, no, what am I going to do? Oh, hold on. I remembered you. That's it. Athletes work with physiotherapists who help them look after their bodies. I need to find one of those, and maybe they can help me with my leg. Hello, is there a physio here?
I'm a physio. My name's Phil. What can I do for you, number one?
Oh, I'm Rebecca.
Oh, right, yeah. What can I do for you, Rebecca?
My leg. I was running along and it really started to hurt. Oh,
Where exactly does it hurt?
just here.
Oh, right. OK, yes, we get a lot of this with marathon runners. Is this your first time?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a gastrocnemius.
My gastro what?
Your gastrocnemius, your calf muscle. You've got cramp.
Oh.
Does that feel any better?
Oh, yes, it's starting to feel much better.
Great. So you're going to be OK?
I think so.
I'll tell you what.
What?
I'm going to run with you. Come on, Rebecca, number one. Let's finish this marathon together.
OK, let's do it.
Well, look at this. She's back. Number one. Rebecca, she's back and she's running. That's it, number one, Rebecca. Looking good. She's a real tryer. She won't give up. She's powering on through. What an heroic effort from this first timer. She's really showing the Mega Wow spirit. Go, Rebecca.
Gotta keep going.
Come on, Rebecca. Keep on going. You can do it. It's her first Mega Wow Marathon, but she's really got the support of the crowd. It's keeping her going.
Nearly there.
That's right. You're nearly there. Come on. Keep going. And now, we're near the end. Rebecca's on the final straight. Just the last bit of the race to go. The final few hundred meters. She's a real runner, is Rebecca. A true sporty hero. You can do it. I'll see you at the finish line. She can do it. Yes. That's it. Go on, girl. Go on, Rebecca. Come on, number one, Rebecca. That's it. No one's further to go. She's done it! Rebecca! She's done it! She's a first-time marathon runner, but she's finished the race, and she's broken the record! Oh, I'm filling up! You did it! You beat the record for the fastest first-timer in the Mega Wow Marathon! Look, take that!
Oh, wow, that's great.
Great! That's amazing! Let me hear you say...
Yeah!
That a girl, and I got you a medal!
Oh, thank you. It's brilliant being a runner, but we would never have done it without remembering everything we needed to know.
Runners wear special shoes, and long-distance runners wear racing flats. They need to drink water as they go, small amounts, often. And runners work with physios, who help them look after their bodies.
I think it's time we went home. Bye, everyone. Bye.
Bye, Rebecca. Great running.